With our changing lifestyle, we set our priorities very clear. We are very much careful about our education, our career, our life, what we select. We mostly want to get settled in our life before we start our family life. So, at times, with our high ambitious life, we may feel like having a baby sometimes affect our priorities. So, in this life journey, when we think about having a baby, the first thing come into our mind, are we at correct age to get pregnant? Are we at correct age to have a baby? These things comes naturally to our mind because of social pressure or having some idea about aging and pregnancy and its relation. So we are will discuss about how age impacts pregnancy. Hi, I am Smita Pradhan and welcome to my channel where we discuss various topics related to pregnancy, how to plan and prepare for pregnancy, and how to take care during pregnancy. So today we'll discuss impact of age during pregnancy. Let us try to understand this phenomena biologically. For a woman to get pregnant, we need a healthy egg fertilized by a healthy sperm. So, what happens in a woman's body? When a woman is born, she is born with all egg she can have in her lifetime. So, this number varies from one woman to another woman. It is mostly around 1 million to 2 million. It is quite huge, isn't it? But when we reach our puberty stage, when we get our first menstruation cycle, most of the eggs are lost in the process of development. So, with growing age, we start to lose more and more eggs, and our body prepare ourselves for pregnancy. So, in each month, one ovary releases one egg alternatively. So, can you imagine by a woman reach age of 37, she only has 25,000 eggs. This number looks very small in compared to 1 million to 2 million. Late 20s to early 30s are the highly productive stage of any woman. The chances of getting pregnant are much higher where eggs are healthier, and the chances of getting lifestyle diseases are also very much low. But when woman crosses age of 35, the quality and quantity of egg decreases considerably. With decreasing quality and quantity of egg, the chances of disorders increase in pregnancy. We may get gestational diabetes, high blood pressure, preterm baby delivery, and chromosomal abnormalities also. So, before 35 age, a woman is highly productive and she can plan for her pregnancy very easily. Let us discuss about men. Unlike women, in a man body, the sperms are generated in body daily basis. So, based on the lifestyle and the food intake, the quality and the quantity of sperm also varies on daily basis and from one man to another man. So, in this journey also, when a man reaches age of 40, the number of sperms reduces considerably and the quality also reduces. So, the chance of his partner getting pregnant also reduces very much. So, we discussed about women and the men, but it is not about bad news and always. So if we keep the note of small things in our regular life, we can have a healthy pregnancy too. So whether you are a man or a woman, consider below points like regular exercise, eat balanced diet, add more nutritious food to your regular food diet, be active, keep your body and mind balanced and active. Try to reduce stress in your life as much as you can. Try yoga and meditation to keep your body and mind relaxed and fit for pregnancy. If you have any habit of drinking and smoking, please quit. Then, when you make your mind for pregnancy, consult your doctor and start taking vitamins as suggested. Take care that you do not develop any lifestyle related disorders like high blood pressure or diabetes things. These things may complicate your chances of getting pregnant. So, if you are a woman in age above 35 or a man above 40, still you do not bother about aging and pregnancy. Yes, it may have some impact, but with the points I mentioned, like exercise, regular activity, and having a healthy diet, you can plan your pregnancy very efficiently. Again, pregnancy is a bond of love between a man and woman. So it is your choice when you want to have a baby. And having a baby at later stage also have some advantage. You are emotionally more stable. You are financially more stable. The relationship between both the partners and the family is more stable also. And by this time, you must be having some idea about the pregnancy processes. So keep yourself healthy and plan for your pregnancy. My mission for this channel is to help to reach out to all those women, to those families whom I can help by guiding their planning their pregnancy journey and during the pregnancy journey also by physical, mental and spiritual transformation. My aim is to deliver all the factors which may impact our pregnancy at any stage. So, if you wish to see more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more such informational videos related to pregnancy, health, diet, and our mindset. So, please like, share, and subscribe to my channels. And if you feel these are really helpful to you or your family members or friends, share with them, share the goodness. Happy pregnancy to you and thank you.